car accident can happen in an instant, and no one is ever fully prepared for the emotional and practical challenges they bring. But knowing what a step to take right after the accident can make a huge difference in how smoothly the process goes. In today's videos, we are going to break down what you need to do immediately after a car accident in the United States and guide you through the key action to ensure you protect yourself and your right. Hi, I am your host and welcome to our channel. Whether you have just been in a car accident or want to be prepared for the unexpected, this video will provide you with the essential step to take following an action. Let's dive into the immediate action, the documentation you will need, and how to navigate insurance and legal matters. This guide will cover everything you need to know, so let's get started. The moment following an accident are critical. You may feel disoriented, but it is important to stay calm and focus on the next step. The action you take in the first few minutes can protect you and minimize complication. Step 1. Never leave the scene. Whether it is a minor incident or a major collision, staying at the scene is a legal requirement. Leaving the scene can result in charge even if you were not at fault. If possible, move your vehicle out of traffic. Turn on your hazard light to warn other drivers and keep a safe distance from the accident site. But if it is unsafe to move your car or if someone is seriously injured, don't risk further harm. Stay where you are and call for help. If you are able, check your surroundings for safety. Stay inside the vehicle if there is any risk of further accident or if traffic is heavy. If you need to exit the vehicle, do so carefully. Always prioritize your safety. Your top priority after any car accident is ensuring the health and safety of everyone involved. You may be in shock, but checking for injuries is essential. Step 2 is assess yourself and your passengers for injuries. If anyone is injured, don't try to move them unless absolutely necessary. If you or someone else is in need for immediate medical attention, call 911 right away. If the accident is severe, don't wait. Even if the injuries seem minor, it is always best to have paramedics evaluate the situation. Step 3. Call 911. Be clear and concise when speaking to the dispatcher. Provide the location of the accident, the number of vehicle involved, and whether there are any visible injuries. If you are unsure about the severity of the injuries, it is better to err on the side of caution. While waiting for emergency responder to arrive, it's important to start gathering key information for your insurance claim and any potential legal matters. Step 4 is exchange information with the other parties involved in the accident. This include their full name, address, phone number, and driver's license number, as well as the make, model, and license plate number of their vehicle. Also exchange insurance information, their policy number, and the name of the insurance companies. In addition to the driver detail, make sure to collect the contact information of any witnesses to the accident. Witness testimony can be individual if there are dispute later. Important note: do not admit fault at the scene, even if you believe you might be partially responsible. Avoiding saying anything that could be used against you. Keep your conversation focused on the fact. One of the most important actions you can take is to document the scene. The more information you have, the easier it will be to prove your case to insurance companies and law enforcement. Step 5 is take clear detailed photograph. Capture everything: damage to the vehicle, the positioning of the car, any relevant road condition, traffic sign, or a skid mark. If weather condition were a factor, document those as well. Don't forget to photograph the other driver's document, such as their driver license, insurance card, and registration. This will be useful for your claim and can help avoid confusion later. Step 6 is be caution about what you say. It is natural to feel anxious or apologetic, but you should avoid admitting fault, apologizing, or making a statement like "I don't see you" or "it was my fault." Even seemingly innocent comment can be used against you in an insurance claim or lawsuit. Let the policy and insurance companies handle the determination of fault. Their investigation, including witness statement and physical evidence, will determine what happened. Once everyone is safe and the scene is under control, it is time to notify your insurance company. Many policies require you to report accident within a certain time frame, so don't delay. Step 7 is contact your insurance provider immediately. If you are unsure how to begin, most insurance companies have mobile apps or website where you can report an accident online. Be sure to provide them with the policy report number, photo, and any other relevant information you have gathered. Your insurance agent will guide you through the claim process. If you are not sure what is covered under the policy, take this opportunity to review your coverage. And if there is any confusion about the process, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. In case where there are injuries or significant damage, it is important to understand your legal right. In some situations, consult any attorney can help ensure you are not taken advantage of. Step 8 is if the accident involves significant property damage, injuries, or if you feel the liability is in question, you may want to consult a lawyer. A lawyer can help you navigate the legal complexity, protect your interest, and represent you if there is a dispute over fault. A personal injury attorney can also assist you if you have been hurt in the accident and are facing medical bills or lost wages. Finally, let's talk about your right and responsibility. Every state has a specified law about how accident must be reported, so it is crucial to understand your legal obligation. Step 9. Know your right. In some states, if the accident involves injuries or property damage above a certain amount, you may be required to fill an official report with your Department of Motor Vehicles. Make sure you know what the specific requirements are in your state. Keep track of any paperwork related to the accident, including your insurance claim and policy report. This document will be important for your record. So, to recap, after a car accident, the most important steps are staying at the scene, calling for medical help, exchanging information, documenting the incident, and contacting your insurance. If necessary, consult a lawyer to protect your right. By following these steps, you will be prepared to handle the aftermath of any car accident in the US. Accident can be stressful, but handling them with care and responsibility can help you avoid additional complexion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Drive safe and stay prepared.